The accused is currently out on bail and is under house arrest. No global positioning system GPS device has been placed on the accused. For the sake of completeness, I further wish to state that the use of the GPS device or bracelet is not provided for under our criminal justice legal framework as a tool to deter further commission of crime, nor is there a sanctioning provision for the monitoring of accused persons in this manner.
To monitor and track offenders on parole or awaiting trial, law enforcement agencies use GPS monitoring devices in the form of ankle or wrist bracelets. The device enables the enforcement of curfews and other stringent bail conditions imposed on such offenders. The Justice Minister recently stated in Parliament that Namibia's criminal justice framework requires legal and institutional reform to address gaps and uncertainties regarding the use of GPS tracking devices for trial-awaiting offenders.
This may require an expansive or purposive interpretation of the provision to import such a meaning. Alternatively, and depending on the outcome of the appeal judgment, this will require policy, legal and institutional reform. It is only then that we will have answers on who will administer and implement such a process instead of debating the constitutionality of a fact that is yet to be determined. The Honourable Member and members of the public are implored to be patient and await the judgment on this particular issue so that the uncertainty regarding this issue can be settled. And where there is a gap, follow-up questions can be asked to address the concerns, or hopefully the practical implications of the additional bail conditions would have been clarified or may even be overtaken by events. I trust this response is adequate for the purposes for which the question was asked. I thank you.
Gustavo was arrested on November 27, 2019 in connection with the fish rod case, and High Court Judge Herman Oosthuizen granted him bail in the amount of 800,000 Namibian dollars on December 21, 2022, subject to several stringent conditions. The Prosecutor General, Martha Imalwa, opposed the bail, claiming that the judge's offer to have Gustavo fitted with a GPS device at the state's expense, despite the fact that no legal framework exists for such, was misdirected.